Hi and welcome to Down the Shed. So here we have an MSI GF63 gaming laptop. It's kind of near the bottom of the range, not quite. In this episode we're going to be replacing the hard drive with either a 500 or 1000. The 500 has been formatted, the 1000 hasn't. Now the reason why we're disappointed is I paid for next day delivery yesterday and Yodel can't deliver my parcel today. So we're going to do the hard drive. I might put a camera behind me when we go into the setup of the hard drive, but that's no hardship. So just take out all these screws around the base, and this one over there. There's a lot of them, but there you go. You notice with the little magnet I use for my lighter, I just magnetised the screwdriver because it wasn't picking them up. And then we want to take the base off the PC, off the laptop. So you won't get this factory seal one out without breaking the factory seal, but it doesn't void any warranties, as you can't get in there to change the RAM or add a hard drive without going into the back anyways. Now you want to take it off from the side that has the one USB, because the two barrels on the other side for the headphone jack and whatnot do kind of prevent it from opening up, and this is the bit I don't like, so we've got to try and just gently ease out without opening that, ease our way in. And my eyesight isn't letting me get on very well here. So just gently going around this edge with the screwdriver, easing it up like so. Now it's coming, so we'll just ease it up a bit around here. There we go. I'm not exactly sure where that bit comes apart of there. So we'll just try easing our way around a bit more. There's one. You just got to basically try and get all these little clips undone. Where's the old credit card? That's yanking that up there. This ain't going well. This ain't going well. Don't know where the back piece comes up. So that's off. I was lifting this up quite a lot, didn't like that. Right, so here you will see is where the RAM goes. So this is where our spare RAM slot is. That's where we should have been putting a RAM in today. That little fan, heat distribution. This is where our SATA drive goes. So we'll get that bag out of the box that we had earlier. This has the screws and the bracket for the hard drive. So That's the 1000, the dirty one's the 1000. 1000 gigabyte. So that will go in like so. So what we need to do is take the screws out. I'm guessing the black ones go on the board and the silver ones go into the hard drive. Take the hard drive mount. Yeah, that's right. So that will go on like that. So basically we want to, that's the battery, that'll be alright. No, it's not. Put these little silver screws into the hard drive mount. Maybe we've got a little bit of thread lock on them. So we'll put these on the 1000 to start with. That's one. We might have to do this again for the 500. So that's two. So now what you want to do is just slot this into the SATA drive, like so, and then take the black screws. I'll put the black screws in here. Just to hold it in place. There's our 256 SATA. So we've now got our 1000. So in this episode we're going to be putting our RAM eventually turned up. Hopefully we've done our homework right, we've got the right one. Oh. Hopefully that's in shot. All we need to do is unpack our memory module, which is securely sealed. Sticker around it. And slot that in. Quite simply, just line it up. Oh, an extra 8 gig. Push it down, and I'll probably get another one of those at some point to replace this one, because factory RAM's usually crap compared to aftermarket RAM. So now just click all this back together. Do the two fronts, and unless we go double 16 gig, do up it to 32, and it is upgradable to 64 gigabyte, then that won't be opening again. Right, hopefully you can see we're in the BIOS now, so we'll go to storage, no system information I think. Memory 8192, so both slots are now showing as populated with 8192 megabytes DDR4 RAM. So that's pretty much a successful installation of the second RAM chip. So we now got 1000 gigabyte or 931 usable SATA drive and a 256 gigabyte SSD with 16 gig of RAM. Happy days.